Today we're going to be starting a new lesson about analyzing multiple accounts of a topic, or also author's viewpoint. The essential question for this lesson, or we could call it a mini unit, is how do authors support their viewpoints on a similar topic? Today's essential question is, what is author's viewpoint? Take a look at this comic. Just look at it and think, what do you see? What's going on with this picture? Now look at this one. What do you see? What's going on with the picture? So we're going to be discussing an author's viewpoint. Another word for viewpoint could be perspective or opinion. Good readers are able to determine why an author writes something or how an author feels about something. An author's opinion or viewpoint might be positive, it might be negative, or it might be neutral, which means they're going to present both sides, or they're in the middle. They don't think positively or negatively. So again, an author's viewpoint or opinion might be positive, negative, or neutral. On the left, you see an example of a positive response. The food at ABC Cafe was amazing. On the right, you see an example of a negative opinion. The service at ABC Cafe was terrible. And in the middle, you see a neutral response. Did you hear that ABC Cafe is now open? Notice the neutral response isn't saying something positive or negative, it's just giving information. It's important to note that your version or account of a situation may be different than another person's because you notice different things. You have different perspectives. Just like in these comics that you saw a minute ago. The people in the comics have different perspectives. They see things differently. It doesn't mean one person is right and the other is wrong. However, when an author gives their opinion or their viewpoint on something, they're going to want to try to convince readers to agree with them, and they do that through evidence. Evidence is going to be facts that they present to the reader to try to convince the reader to agree with them or to support their opinion. Now that you've learned a little bit about what is meant by author's viewpoint, check your understanding. There's a link on Schoology, or you can just type it in if you're a quick typer or write this down. You're going to go to quizzes, join.quizzes.com. The game code is 611772. Go there now and try your hand at some of the quiz questions.